Um. Okay then. Okay. Simon. Simon says. Simon says, change your dog. Change your dog. Okay. Simon says, change your dog. Let's see who changes their dog. Now we're only playing with Quavo. This male 140, and then this female Queen Cheetos. Oh. See if Queen Cheetos still does it. Oh, good job. Change back. Well, let's see. Who's gonna go? Who's gonna run for it? No one. Oh, Queen Cheetah's staying still. Alright, is she gonna do it? Oh, okay. Simon says lay down. Simon says lay down. Let's see who lays down. Oh! Yep, they both did it. Can't wait until... Oh, Quavo. I do not know. Oh. Sometimes there's a glitch, and I can already... let me reload. Say meow. Say meow. See who says meow? Say meow. Come on, Queen Cheetah. Say meow. No? I was gonna say I thought someone would say meow. Say meow. Simon say meow. Simon says say meow. Simon says say meow. Simon says say meow. Let's see who says meow. Meow. Meow sticks. Oh, Quavo. Oh, this is gonna be impossible. I'm the pug. What should we do next? I feel like we should do be a pug. Be a pug. Let's see. It doesn't. Oh, no! Queen Cheeto! Cheeto lost. Cheeto lost. I didn't say. I didn't say. Simon says. I didn't say. Quavo. Cheeto, you're Simon. Cheeto, you're Simon. I guess I'm out. Cheeto, you're Simon. See what happens. Why? Oh, never mind. Okay, let's see. We gotta be very careful. You have no level. Okay, let's just ignore him. I don't care. Cool. There we go. Cool. I don't care about my stupid level. I'm personally level 200. And he's level 77. Okay, let's see. Queen Cheeto. Come on, we gotta wait for Queen Cheeto. Come on. Oh, Pup's a weenie dog. She's a small chili dog. Oh, small chili dog. Small chili doge. Let's wait first. Simon says turn into Doberman. Okay, let's turn into Doberman. And she said Simon says so. Oh, come on! Ah, Quabble. Juan. Is Pup playing? Oh, Twisted Foxy's playing. Can I play? Yes, you can. Okay, well, I'm saying yes because I made it up and I'm making the video. Yes. Quabble's just sitting. Oh. Well, bye, Pup. Change to the pug. Nope. You can't get me. Can't get me. Nope. Biddy. You can't get me. Don't have it. Well, no one cares if you don't have it. It's just okay. So I can't anyway. Stop. No one said you were playing, but fine, you can play. Because I didn't say Simon said. Oh, she got Foxy. Quabble just sitting over there like, Come on. I know I've played it thousands of times. Wait, what? It on play Dogson? I played it. Simon says on Dogson. I don't think anyone made a video of this. That's why I'm doing it. Hey, come on. Just move on. Move on. Move on, let's go. Simon says, hit one person here. Can I even hit someone? I can't. Okay, I'm very wobble. I'm very sorry. Here you go. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Okay, well, I probably shouldn't say that. Anyone can hit me free. I'm Imo. Okay, Beauty, get out of the way. That's where Simon is. I want run in a circle. Come on. Mango's probably like, why are these people being Doberman? They ain't rich. Well, I am rich. Actually. Because if I spend this money, I won't even get gone. So you can see right now. Simon says go to farm. Hey, let's go to farm. Why she's just like, see that? Let's go. Let's go. That's one. Did it. No, your half look like this. One's a Doberman. Can you do sign that says turn back into Husky? Host. Oh no, Queen Cheeto! Cheeto! She never said to turn back into Husky. Who's not in? Cheeto, come on, Cheeto. Answer me, Cheeto. Cheeto. Oh, okay then. I ran my way here. I just ran here. And I'm the fastest person here. Well, I'm the fastest person in the server. I'm not the fastest person on the game. Mangle has won 6 duels. 31. Oh my god. I don't want to mess with her. I mean, like, I can if I won. I only have 56. It's because most people already know I'm Mimosa. Wait, who? Gotta go, guys. I'm gonna do a part 2 on Cat Sim, and then a part 3 on Dragon Sim. So, bye, guys. I gotta take a shower. So, bye. Subscribe because I'm new. Comment if you liked. If you liked the video, and like it, of course, if you liked it. So, peace. Peace. Stay a Husky forever. Now, bye-bye.